In this video, I will show how to log and view all outgoing emails from WordPress. So search this plugin, Email Log. This is the popular and easy to use plugin to view and to check out all outgoing emails. So search this one, install and activate. Very useful if you have to debug email related problems or have to store sent emails from auditing. So as we can see here guys, about 70,000 plus active installation. So use and try this plugin. Guys, if you are facing any problem to use this plugin, so comment. Very soon I will try to answer, and if you need to learn about this plugin, how to use it, so comment. I will create another tutorial about how to use email log plugin in WordPress. So thanks for watching and check out my WordPress plugin playlist. There are some must-have plugins for WordPress user. So thanks for watching again.